So you're watching this video, looking at how to sell your law firm, when to sell your law firm, and you want to make sure you get the things right. One of the best things you can do is start preparing well in advance to ensure your law firm is worth top dollar. First, get your financials in order. Buyers want to see stable financials, stable revenues, stable profits. So it's essential to have clear, organized records of your firm's earnings, expenses, and profits. Next, streamline your operations. If your firm is reliant on you, look for ways to delegate responsibilities to key staff, to different checklists or systems. You'll also want to enhance client retention, build a stronger client community. The stronger your client relationships, the more valuable your firm will appear to potential buyers. And finally, conduct a valuation. Know what your firm is worth. Understanding the true worth of your firm will help set realistic expectations when it comes time to negotiate. If you're considering selling, let's talk. We can guide you through the preparation process and make sure your firm is ready to hit the market.